In this presentation, I'm going to show you a very simple way to add a title slide, and it truly is a slide that you make in Photoshop and save it as a file to be compatible with your slideshow. And the slideshow here, basically, if I'll just click here to play, you can just see it's a very simple slideshow of images. Have a little bit of a motion to it, increasing its size, and then I have transitions between each. So if I put this back to the beginning and then I go to the slide that I imported here, this is what I want to add to the presentation. Now you don't have to move all this to do this particular technique. All you have to do is make sure that you have this slide selected, and when you come here to insert, you'll see it actually pushes everything over to the right. So what you might have to do though, let's kind of back it up and let's play it. When you add it, there are no transitions to this at all. So let's go ahead and let's just add a simple transition. So I'm going to select these two, hit Command D to add transitions to it, and now let's just play it back again. So you can see that we've got a simple dissolve for this, and we've added it to it. And this, like I said, is the simplest way you can add a title to it. It doesn't have the elegance you might have if you use the text tool to create the title, and I'm going to show you that in the next video here.